Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's May 7th, Tuesday. It's in the low to mid 80s already, and some of the early things in the garden, like the garlic, are saying that's enough, we're done. So we're going to be picking some garlic even though it's May 7th, but the hot weather has arrived. It's been in the 80s every day, mid 60s in the mornings. As you can see, the peppers are happy, but as we get down here to these garlics, these guys are very strongly saying we're finished. So we're going to get them dug out of here because we got plenty of things ready to go in. I found a lot of these containers and I put them in these kiddie swimming pools. When it gets real dry, that helps with the water management. Other than that, it's good for the weed control. So, not a bad garlic there. Another one. So far, we're doing good here coming up with garlics. Got some of the milder white ones, and there's some red ones in here. Chiliums, something like that's the name of them. They're a little stronger, just outstanding, but they don't get as big, at least not here in Georgia. I don't know how these garlic got to be so far down in the soil. I must have topped them or something, not realizing that it was garlic. Okay, this is one of those Costco whiskey barrels, half whiskey barrels, and there's the garlic that came out of it. Tell me that's not a great payback. And I can add a little more compost here, put some fertilizer in. I'll have some more stuff planted in here in probably a half hour. So we'll move it down now and see how one of these other containers is looking. Now early in the year, I had some cabbages and cauliflower down the middle of this bed, and I ringed it with garlic to see if it would give it some protection. We got a fairly decent harvest on the cauliflower and the cabbage, and we got some really nice big, looks like some nice big garlics here. So yeah, nothing wrong with that. This is Georgia. These are great garlics. We get a really short growing season. There's nothing wrong with garlics that look like that. That one may be the current winner. All right. Got cabbages and cauliflower out of the middle, and garlic around the edges as a protection. Seems like a plan that worked. I don't know if I should go ahead and pick them or not. I'll go up and see how they're looking. Check those out. Is that some fancy garlic or what? Here we are again. This is really something to look at. So there's a lot more out here, but I'm gonna stop with this much. This is David at Grow and Eat This, harvesting garlic, May 7th, Lawrenceville, Georgia. We're zone 7B, 8A, and we're day after day in the mid to high 80s, which means the garlic is finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We got a great garden going this year.